Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, and we have a bunch of glitches to talk about today. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright, so first up, I do want to go ahead and let you all know that I did upload a video earlier today, and then I also uploaded a video yesterday. We have a run glitch deal, plus we have new clearance markdowns and penny list information. So if you missed out on either one of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. I'm going to have them linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons. Now, a couple of quick things before we get into the deals. Number one, this tablet that I'm on is due for a software update, so you might see a notification pop up randomly throughout this video. We're just going to overlook it for now, that way I can do the software update later on. The next thing that I want to talk about is that I do not see a 5 off 25 for this Saturday yet on my account. So if you guys received one on your accounts, please let me know down in the comment section below. And if you don't, I guess we're just going to have to keep an eye on our accounts this week, and hopefully that will pop up soon. Now, the third thing, I did go over a few of these coupons in Friday's video. For instance, we have the 75% off one for the Vicks VapoCool Cough Drops, and then we also have some Dove coupons. We went over all of that in Friday's video, so I will be skipping over those coupons as well as some of the others, because I am literally looking at 5 pages worth of notes. So it's going to be very important for you guys to come back and check out the good deals and glitch list video. I'm going to try to have that one up first thing tomorrow morning. If not, it'll be up first thing Tuesday morning. So be on the lookout for that, because there are a lot of really good deals this week, and I don't know if I'm going to get to all of them in this video. Then the last thing that I want to go ahead and mention is that we do have a total of 13 glitches so far. Now, some of these are really good glitches. Some of them, you know, you could take them or leave them, right? So it just is what it is, but we do have a total of 13. So let's go ahead and start off this video with a glitch. We've got this 150 off one for the Vicks VapoCool products. These are normally $6, but this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the 18 count Vicks VapoCool Cough Drops. Those are priced at just $2. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 50 cents. Next up, we've got a 2 off one for the Charmin. If you want to pick up the 12 count, those are priced at $11.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $9.50. We did receive a new 2 off one for the Gain products. Those are priced at $7.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. We have a 3 off 2 Crest coupon. This one is glitching, and I did talk about this glitch in particular in a video earlier today. So if you missed out on that video, make sure that you go and check it out. We do have a quick little run glitch that y'all need to get in on. But this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes. So if you pick up 2 of those at $1 each after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage. If you don't have that product at your store, but you still want to use this coupon, these Crest and Oral-B products start out at $3.35. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.70 for 2. Alright, next up, we've got a 1 off one for the Crest mouthwash. So if you want to pick up the 1 liter bottles, those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. However, this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the travel size mouthwash. Those are priced at just $1. So after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free. Next up, we've got a $2.30 off one for the Febreze Air Effects products. So these start out at $3.25 each. After the coupon, you're going to pay just 95 cents. Then we also received a 1 off one for the Gain products. These are priced at $4.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. We have a new 2 off one for the Schick razors. These start out at $5.35. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.35. Moving on down, we do have a 50-cent off one for the Mr. Clean products. So if you want to pick up the 3 count magic erasers, those are priced at $3.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. This coupon is glitching with a disclaimer that usually this glitch doesn't work, but it is showing up in the app, so I would definitely scan it once you get to the store, and just to see. It's always worth scanning to see if it will work. But if you can find the 1 count Mr. Clean magic erasers in the dollar aisle for $1, this coupon is supposed to be attaching, making those just 50 cents. Next up, we've got a 1 off one for the Angel Soft bath tissue. Those are priced at $5.95, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.95. We have a few laundry detergent coupons. Go ahead and clip those. We have a one-off one for the Pantene. I'm going to pass on clipping that one for now because we usually have some higher value coupons that will pop up. We have a 5-off one for the L'Oreal Paris skincare products. So these are priced at $10.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.95. Really awesome deal there. We have a new 3-off one for the Fabric Care, 5-off one for the Colgate Optic White. These are priced at $7.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. Alright, next up we got a 2-off one for the Downy. We also have a 2-off one for the Fixodent multi-packs. These are priced at $11.95, so after the coupon you're going to pay $9.95. But this coupon is glitching and it is working on the Precision Hold single Fixodents. These are priced at $7, so after the coupon you're going to pay $5. Then we have a $175 off one for the Arm & Hammer laundry products. So these are priced at $4.25. After the coupon you're going to pay $3. Moving on down, we have 50 cents off one for the Dawn. These are priced at $2.75, so after the coupon you're going to pay $2.25. Sparkle paper towels. These are priced at $7.50, so after the coupon you're going to pay $5.50. Then we have a 3-off one for the Febreze fabric spray. These are priced at $5, so after the coupon you're going to pay $2. Alright, next up we have a 50 cent off one for the Suavitel products. So if you want to pick up the dryer sheets, those are priced at $1.95. After the coupon you're going to pay $1.45. But keep in mind, we still have that sale going on. Buy 2, get 1 free on the Ajax, Palmolive, Fabuloso, and Suavitel products. Next up, we have a 3-off one for the Always Discreet products. These start out at $6.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. But this coupon is glitching and it is working on the 26 count Always Discreet liners. Those are priced at $3.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 25 cents. So another really awesome deal. Now we're going to skip over a few of these coupons, but I am clipping them to my account. Alright, next up we have Downy Purex. We have a 1-off 3 for the Puffs facial tissue. So those are on sale this week, 3 for $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4 for 3. Then we also received a new 50 cent off 1 digital coupon on the Energizer batteries. If you want to pick up the 2 count AA or AAA batteries, those are priced at $3.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. However, this coupon is glitching if you want to pick up the AA 4 count Ever Ready batteries. Those are priced at $3.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.25. Moving on down, we have a 2-off one for the Maybelline. If you want to pick up the eyeliner, those are priced at $4.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. And here are a couple of coupons we're going to clip, but I'm going to skip over them for now. We have new Huggies diapers, Poise, Tidy Cats. This manufacturer coupon, it's a 1-off one, and we're going to talk about that one here in just a few minutes. Pull-ups, L'Oreal Paris Garnier hair color. Alright, so here's some more coupons. We're going to go ahead and clip to our accounts. We've got Fanta, Tide, Fiber One, the little beef stew. We talked about that on Friday. We've got Depends, more Fanta, Pine Sol, Kellogg's. We have a 1-off 3 for the Kellogg's products. Those are on sale this week, 3 for $7. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $6 for 3, which is a pretty good deal. Next up, we're going to talk about this 2-off 1 for the Bounty paper towel products. So this coupon is supposed to be for the products that are $15 or higher, but it is glitching and it is working on the 8 equals 12 rolls. Those are priced at $13.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $11.50. We have a bunch of new Zyrtec coupons. We have Cascade, Swiffer, 1-off 1. So if you want to pick up the Duster Starter Kit, those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. We have a $1.50 off one for the Degree. So this one is glitching and it is working on the 1.6 ounce Degree women's deodorants. Those are priced at $4. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. All of the other Degree deodorants start out at $5.75. So we have a 2-off 1 for the Bengay. Those are priced at $5.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.75. Next up, we have a 50 cent off one for the Old Spice deodorants. I did talk about this coupon in the video earlier today that I posted. So this coupon is glitching. I'm working on the travel size deodorants. They're priced at $1.10. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 60 cents. However, I'm going to pass on clipping this one to my account for now, and if you want to know why, make sure that you go back and check out that first video that I posted earlier. And then moving on down, we also have a 5 off 3 for the Old Spice deodorants. And this one is also glitching and working with the travel size deodorants. So again, they're priced at $1.10. After the coupon, that is going to make it completely free, plus give you $1.70 in overage. So that is going to be the one that I clipped to my account. Moving on down, we have a 3 off 1 for the Gillette razors. If you want to pick up the Mach 3, those are priced at $8.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.95. Then we also have this 2 off 2 for the Degree and Dove dry sprays. I'm going to pass on clipping this one for now because we do have a higher value 4 off 2 digital coupon. We have a 3 off 1 for the Crest Adult. We have a 5 off 2 for the Olay products, so those start out at $6.35. We're going to move on down here to the Gold Bond. 2 off 1 for the Gold Bond. These start out at $6, so after the coupon you're going to pay $4. We do have this Secret Dry Spray coupon. It's a 3 off 2. These are pretty pricey at $7 each, but this is the higher value coupon, so I'll go ahead and clip that one. Next up, we've got a 3 off 1 for the Venus razors. These are priced at $9, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $6. We also have a 2 off 1 for the Olay skincare products. So these start out at $7. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5. There's that lower 1 off 1 for the Secret Dry Sprays. I'm going to pass on that. We have a 5 off 2 for the Pantene Nutrient Blends. So these are pretty pricey. I believe they are priced at $9 each. Yes, $9 each. After the coupon, you're going to pay $13 for 2. This coupon typically glitches on the travel size Pantene Nutrients, but those are really hard to find. But if you do see them, scan them, use this coupon. It'll probably make it free plus overage, all right? Now moving on down, again, we're going to skip over a few of these here. We have Love's diapers and a bunch of DG store coupons. So the next coupon that we're going to talk about, we have this 1 off 1 for the Axe product. Hopefully we will get a manufacturer coupon that will stack with this. But in the meantime, this coupon is glitching and it is working on the 1.7 ounce Axe deodorants. Those are priced at $3, so after the coupon you're going to pay $2. Then we have the Lowe's gift cards. We have 50 cents off one for the Pepto-Bismol products. So those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5. But this coupon is glitching and it is working on the 12 count Pepto-Bismols. Those are priced at $3. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. All right, we're going to move on down. Clip all of these. We have the buy one get one free digital coupon on the canisters. That one does expire today, so if you didn't use it yesterday and you want to use it today before it expires, go ahead and do that. The next one we're going to talk about, we have this DG store coupon for buy one of the Tidy Cats cat litter and get one of the Friskies soups for free. Alright, so pick up one of the 8.5 pound cat litters at $15.50 and one of the little Friskies soups for $1.50. We have a one-off-one manufacturer coupon on the cat litter plus this DG store coupon that's going to leave you paying $14.50 for both items. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and before you go, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.